In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the Jukebox activity. In this activity, you will use Python to turn your Trashbot into a jukebox that can play multiple songs. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, and a micro USB. Step 2. Code. Code your Trashbot to allow the user to select a song using button A and play the song using button B. Your Trashbot should be able to play at least 3 songs. Step 3. Test. Test your code. Does it work as expected? Step 4. Refine. Try to identify the bugs, if any, that are preventing your code from working. Brainstorming code methods to fix them. Step 5. Test again. With your new code, run the same tests as you did in Step 3 and evaluate. What happened to your program? Step 6. Reflect. What challenges did you face in this activity and how did you overcome them? Did you use multiple methods of playing music on your Trashbot or just one? Which song is your favorite? For more lessons, visit lessons.trashbots.co.